Are you tired of sending out cover letters and hearing nothing back? Imagine having a tool that can help you stand out. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Cover letters are critical in job applications. They showcase your personality and passion. A well-crafted letter can grab hiring managers' attention. Let's explore how to create an impressive cover letter using ChatGPT. First, gather your job description and personal details. It's essential to be clear about the position you want. Input this information into ChatGPT for tailored suggestions. Next, use ChatGPT to draft your introduction. Start strong. Mention the role you're applying for. Highlight your excitement and enthusiasm right away. Then, focus on your skills and experiences. ChatGPT can help highlight your qualifications. Make sure to match them with the job requirements. After detailing your skills, express why you're a great fit. What sets you apart? ChatGPT can suggest compelling narratives that resonate with employers. Next, wrap up your letter with a strong closing statement. Reiterate your enthusiasm. Thank the employer for considering your application. Always invite them to reach out for further discussion. Let's see an example. Say you're applying for a marketing role. You'd start with enthusiasm and state you're a marketing guru. Using ChatGPT, emphasize your recent project success stories. End with a note of gratitude. In summary, using ChatGPT to craft your cover letter streamlines your process. Gather your details, get tailored suggestions, and express your unique value. You'll enhance your chances of landing that interview. Ready to craft your winning cover letter? Don't wait. Dive into ChatGPT today and open doors to your dream job.